Hello, welcome to the Epever product unboxing video. Today we're introducing the ELS series residential hybrid inverter. The ELS series hybrid inverter integrates energy storage inversion, intelligent power scheduling, and multi-source charging into a single unit. It allows flexible power selection between the grid, generator, and solar energy, while supporting both off-grid backup supply and on-grid power generation. With its efficient energy management, the ELS series prioritizes solar energy to power household loads, stores surplus energy in the battery, and can also feed it back to the grid. In the event of a grid outage, it provides UPS-level emergency power for critical loads, helping reduce electricity costs, lower dependence on the utility grid, and enhance overall power reliability. This video focuses on the unboxing experience, including the interface layout, product appearance, and standard accessories. This is the device outer packaging. It comes in standard factory packaging designed for transportation safety, featuring strong structural support and internal cushioning. Let's proceed with the unboxing. After opening the box, the top layer consists of protective foam cushioning materials, device accessories, and some user documents. Removing the foam. Take out the inverter. There's a list of the ELS series products and their included standard accessories. Installation unit, input and output unit, communication unit, documentation unit. Note: the actual contents may vary slightly between production batches or model versions. Always refer to what is included in your specific package. Now let's take a closer look at the inverter. The front panel features the display and status indicators for easy monitoring of operating conditions. The enclosure is durable and incorporates heat dissipation and protection features, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. Now let's move to the bottom interface areas and introduce each port. PV input terminals, battery input terminals, communication and function ports, Wi-Fi and GPRS port, BMS and NTC port, meter and CT port, parallel and expansion communication ports, AC ports, smart port, backup load port, grid connection port. Note: for detailed wiring procedures and system application examples, please refer to the user manual. Step-by-step instructional videos will also be provided. This concludes the unboxing video for the ELS series. We have discovered the inverter's appearance, interface layout, and standard accessories. Upcoming videos will cover key product features and advantages, system installation guidelines, wiring examples, and system topology, etc. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.